Alright guys, and run this for Bobblehead Jake. We are going to type live. We are live. Time here, 9:32. 9:32. I'm going to check the list here. Here it is. Grab this. We got John on top and Shane on the bottom. Winner picks one bobblehead out of the 4. Drop it into random, 13 entries, Shane and John. Alright, I'm going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 2, that's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again. And we have an 8, that's good. We're going 8 times. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice is an 8. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 8. Congrats to Bill. Spot number 7. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake, and he will get that out to you. 9:33. We will go back. We will type done. We are done. 9:33. 9:33. Here is verification and timestamp.